Okay, this is discussing the fractal cubes of the the interior central ghost numbers and how they add up and compare to what you get with the outer ghost number, the primary numbers that are supposed to create the central ghost number, the main central ghost number, the exterior central ghost number is what I call it. These fractal cubes. This is a 8-cubed fractal cube. You take the number, the primary number, and for this it's so small. For all these are so small, it mainly consists of ones and zeros. So you put a 1 here and a 0 here. A 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here, because it's just 1. And then on the back side is 2. So I put a 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and zeros on all these other 3 front and back cubes faces. The top is 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, and then 0, 0, 0, 0. And I did 4, 4, or I did 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Or 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, and all that stuff. Anyway, what that shows is that it does add up to 21 for an 8-cubed fractal cube. The interior ghost number and the exterior ghost numbers created by the primary numbers themselves add up to 21. So that checks out. I put a check mark there. So I went on and I sort of didn't do it accurately as I should, but it still shows the same thing that occurs with larger numbers. For 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 going around the cube in sequential order. The same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so this doesn't check out. I don't have time to show all these, but I did it accurately. And added those bottom number 53, 44, 53, 30, 62 all together for all these slices. And it's 212, which is 2 higher than 210, which is that primary numbers, ghost number, central ghost number. The interior central ghost number is 212. So I did the same thing, cut these values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And with these, and then this is a 3. That was a 4. This is a 3. I did that backwards. Okay, I should have done this first, but it still shows the same thing. Doesn't check out, but this goes lower. The interior central ghost number is 205. The exterior, created by the primary numbers themselves, is higher, 210. So it hovers up and down around the central ghost number. The outer central ghost number, the inner central ghost number hovers up and down around it. And for this last one, I'll show you. This is 125 cube, expanded out, separated out, where you can see it better. Fractal cube, and it consists of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 on this side, hidden right there. And this is 2100 for the outer primary numbers. The inner primary numbers, the inner ghost number, central ghost number, created by these miniature micro magic ghost number cubes, is 2112. So it goes up. So it hovers up and down, up and down, up and down. And I'm sure that would do the same thing if I use the same values as these cubes became increasingly more. And I believe this is due to the fact that when you use larger numbers, now if you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for all these larger cubes, you could get them to manage to not intersect at the corner cubes. And that's what I think they're used. Some numbers are used twice to create these inner central ghost numbers at the corners and the other intersections, wherever that might be, I'm not sure. And that creates a mismatch between higher and lower central ghost numbers of the interior and exterior. And it hovers up and down. With lower, smaller numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can manage to put them on the center without them intersecting at the corners. But with larger numbers, as the numbers grow larger, the larger outer primary numbers, the fractal central ghost numbers of these miniature magic ghost numbers that make up the fractal cube as a whole, but it's unavoidable they intersect at the corners. And so generally I can state with larger numbers there's a mismatch, and this mismatch is unavoidable. And the mismatch, I believe, hovers up and down